Hi, my name is Vladimir and I'm the CEO and co-founder of ZENCV. Personally, I'm just a passionate visionary that always was imagining creating new gadgets that could make the world a better place. Professionally, I'm an electrical engineer and an IT consultant here in Everest. And together with my co-founder Ricardo.
Hi, I'm Riccardo Dell'Anna. I am the co-founder of ZENCV, our startup. And I'm working as an ICT consultant here in Everest. And basically our story began with a problem of Federica, who is
my fiancée.
Vladimir's fiancée. And go ahead.
Yes, basically our story started with a personal story where Federica was very upset when she just graduated from her bachelor and she was sending more than 50 applications to get her first job, and she got 3 replies, all negative. So she was feeling very bad because she thought that this negative feedback was due to her her incompetence, that she thought that there was a problem with her, that she didn't have anything valuable to put on that piece of paper. So we started working on her CV, we revisited the contents of her CV, we made a beautiful design, we made it very strong, but most importantly we refreshed her confidence, and with that new confidence she sent more than I believe 32 applications, and she received 7 replies and 3 job interviews. So we had a nice feedback, nice starting story, and in parallel there were some other friends that were designers that were doing the same. So
we understood that there was value there,
yes.
And actually it's not exactly the same, but my story is quite next to it, as it is that of my university colleagues. Each of us who doesn't have, she's a designer, but we're not. So imagine us trying to put ourselves, what we did, which are our values, what we believe in a CV, and make it as hot as
hot is the right word.
Exactly.
As attractive.
As a professional, a designer. So we understood that there was value there, and we started developing this idea. We actually, I came in a bit later.
Yes.
Vladimir built a website, like a basic website.
I built the base, but we helped construct the, let's say...
Exactly, yeah, we were working together at that time and seeing each other every day here in Everest. And we were exchanging ideas, during coffee breaks and after work. We started having a serious talk about that.
Yes, Ricardo had a lot of experience with startups before,
exactly.
So his mind was really important to, let's say, redirect the business model a little bit, fine-tune it to make it a bit more effective.
Exactly,
yeah.
And that's how it started. Last week, 2 weeks ago, actually, we received an email from the Web Summit organizations,
yes,
saying that they selected our startup, they believe it was interesting and
yes.
that could be enrolled in the alpha program they
yes.
have.
First we pitched, we had a conversation over the phone with the experts from Web Summit, startup coordinators. They were analyzing our startup from multiple dimensions. First, because Web Summit is primarily a technological event, and exactly. Our startup wants to become a technological platform that will enable HRs and designers on one end to create CVs and career services for people on the other end. So first technological impact and then high social impact were the key variables apart from the good business model that we had to get admitted to the program. So that was basically...
And we got selected in the end.
Yes!
And so we're going to Lisbona.